post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Jondel Cardel, and best player of the game, Isaac Go. Coach Jondel, I'll start with you. Coach, hanggang third quarter, dikit pa yung laban. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, you guys just took control. Ano yung nakita mo from that point hanggang sa dulo?
We're playing good defense, no? Alam nila ginagawa nila sa loob, no? Even they're switching, kasi syempre they have four small, no? They take the shot from the three-point shot. So kailangan talaga namin dumipensa lahat. Then against Junmar, of course, Isaac is doing good kay Junmar, no? Which is talaga nakakapagod tawin si Junmar, pero sabi ko nga, just limit him. Just limit him, okay na tayo doon.
Coach limit, 21 pa rin.
31 pa rin ba? 21. Sabi ko naman, take out natin yung 3 points, basta si Junmar, okay lang tayo.
Coach, one win under your belt ngayong playoffs after so long. Given that you guys really seem sharpening up, rounding into form, how does this help moving forward? Lalo, sudden death match next time you face SMB.
Well, of course, syempre, it's a different story, no? This is champion team, di ba? So, but we will do our part, no? We practice on Monday. I'll take vacation tomorrow para makapagpahinga sila. Then we go back to the videos. Tingnan namin anong dapat namin gawin doon sa mga mali namin, hindi doon sa mga tama namin.
Thank you, Coach. Isaac, career high in points. Congratulations, 21 points. And the last time you did that was also against SMB. That time, you made 7 triples. This time, 6 triples. Your thoughts on how your strong performance played a huge part in this win?
Again, as Coach John said earlier, that was the game plan because when you go up against like Junmar, really a great rim protector, he has great paint defense. So parang that's our offense. And today, even as a team, we took 43s. Parang yun na talaga eh. We know San Miguel's #1 3-point shooting team. Parang kami #2, so napa-challenge kami. And siguro the trust with the coaches, with my teammates, yun na. Even I remember last game, I missed 4 or 5 in a row. And they still told me to keep shooting it. So today, parang yun na, carry over because we know that that's what we have to do to beat juggernaut like San Miguel.
Isaac, how would you describe the effort and what you guys were able to do in that fourth quarter?
Just made plays, made it difficult for them. Alam natin na champion team to eh. Sanay sila down, sanay sila lamang, they've been through it all. So parang yun na, we have to be the one to be extra mature, extra careful, extra disciplined down the stretch because this team been there, done that na sila eh. So parang we know that we have to bring that extra effort pa. Mas lalo na para lang we can hold the lead because even down the stretch, medyo 8 points, medyo naging 5, 6, parang delikado pa eh. So we know that we have to be better, but today, great effort from everyone, the coaches, to the players, to the bench, mga ball boy, kahit sa boss namin, parang lahat, kompleto all around na showed that we really wanted to win this game.
Isaac, like you mentioned, yung effort, lalo from Dre Kahilig, from Aldrich, can you talk about yung effort from the guys na hindi naman usually, pero yung hindi nakikita sa stats?
Yun na, everyone had to step up because alam namin na the San Miguel team is very deep and Coach John trust the bench also na si Allen, Hinugot, si Aldrich, si Eric. Yan talaga eh. We have to help one another because alam namin na di lang kaya ni Holt, di lang kaya ni Wami na we have to be there to support them when needed and yun na, this is a team collective win.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, you seem to always have San Miguel Bears numbers, yung Terra Firma. So, looking forward to that knockout game, how do you see your chances?
Sabi ko nga, di ba, before going to this game, hindi ko iniisip may second game. Hindi namin iniisip yung twice to beat, kailangan talunin natin to. Important team decision yung kailangan na this game, we have to be a team, para talunin sila, sabi ko, kailangan every quarters, kailangan lumabang kami, Then, yun nga, third quarter, nakita ko yung oras, lumalabang kami, we lead 5-4-2. Then, coming for the fourth quarter, we're leading 8 points, 10 points, 14 points, pero not enough. Sabi ko, this is team, babalik at babalik to. Kaya I told the guys na anong gagawin nila. Kaya we have to remind them, kasi makabata to eh. So, they follow the instructions, this is what will happen, nanalo kami.